Hi, I'm Laura and I'll be walking you through how to create a graph from a routine on Zamplo. With Zamplo, you can track, graph, analyze, and view trends in your symptoms, activities, and health data. Better understanding trends in your health data will allow for more informed decision-making and enhance your engagement at your medical appointments and throughout your healthcare journey. With a graph, you can see how a symptom may be impacted by an activity or medication. For example, you can visualize how a symptom, like a migraine, may be positively or negatively impacted by an activity like yoga. You can track migraines and yoga over a period of time, such as 2 weeks, and make note of any trends that occur between the symptom and the activity. To get started on creating a graph from a routine, open the Zamplo app. From the dashboard, navigate to More on the bottom right-hand corner. Click on Graphs. Go ahead and click on Add. To create a graph from an existing routine, click on the routine that you'd like to graph. From here, you can edit the graph title if you'd like. You can also choose the start and end date that you'd like to set for the graph by selecting the default choices: all, 1 month, 3 months, or customize the dates by clicking on Custom. Below, you can see the graph visual and the activities, medications and supplements, symptoms and health data that you have tracked with your chosen routine. You can customize whether you want the activity, medication, symptom, or health data to be represented as a bar, line, or dash. You can also set a minimum and maximum range and the color that will represent the information. Once you've customized the graph to your liking, click Save. And there you go, you have now successfully created a graph from a routine.